Hello and welcome to Soft Expert. In today's video, I'll be comparing Google Bard AI with Microsoft Bing. Both of these are AI platforms. They generate outputs based on our input. They can generate answers, they can generate codes and so on. And I'll not cover any technical details like how they work, what is the AI version that they are using. I'll just show you some real life example and questions, and you can conclude the reason. You can choose one after watching this video. And the reason for creating this video is I was working on a landing page, which is this one, and I was creating the same page on Swipe pages. This is, by the way, the best platform for creating landing pages just by drag and drop. If you need a landing page, you can follow the link in the description and you can start building your landing page. On the right side, we have this static sidebar. Now I know I can achieve this using the CSS property, which is position fixed. But when you scroll down all the way to the bottom, it starts scrolling just like this. And I wasn't sure about this property. So what I did is I asked Google Bard about this. And once I open Google Bard in Microsoft Edge, you can see on its split screen, it opened this Microsoft Bing. And if you don't know about split screen, you can split screen in Microsoft Edge. You can open up two different tabs at the same time. And this was a really cool suggestion from Microsoft Edge. And I opened Microsoft Bing on the right side. Now I asked this question like I want to fix a right column on its position on this website, which is the page link here. And the column ID is this, and how I can fix this with custom CSS. So the Google Bard answer was this: I am not able to help you with that, as I am only a language model and I don't have the necessary information or abilities. And I asked the same question from Microsoft Bing, and look at the answer. I asked the same question and then it searched for that same query, and it generated this answer. So in custom CSS you can use this property. Now this property worked, but it only picks the sidebar on the right side. But I wanted it to scroll once we reach the page bottom. So I asked that question like I want to scroll once we reach the bottom of the page. Now this is a normal sentence that we talk generally. And look at the answer. It gave me this code to use overflow Y property. I used this but it didn't work. So I asked the same question. It didn't work. Any other code? This is again a normal sentence. And then it says sorry, and then I generated a new code, which is this one. Now the position is sticky, top is 0, and this is with some height and overflow. So I use this code and I'll show you the result. So if I go to settings, custom code, you can see I have used that same code. And let me show you the result. So if I scroll down, you can see this is fixed. And at the end of the page, this will start scrolling. Now the only issue here is this scrolling. But I can fix this using some CSS, like if we increase this property to something like 150, and this will be okay. Now look at this, we don't have that scrolling bar, and this is fixed on the right, and once we reach the page bottom, this will start scrolling. So this was the main thing. I tried Microsoft Bing and I was very impressed, so I thought I would share this with you guys. Now let's try something else. I will just ask a normal question. Obviously this is a normal question, so this will generate a response. This is Google Bard AI, by the way. And here you can see the result. And let's ask the same question from Microsoft Bing. And now this will write the recipe, same here. So you can tell the difference. I'm not sure about this, but both of them have generated the recipe and the instructions. It's also generated a video, by the way. Let's ask a last question. This is basically my Fiverr username, and I'll ask them if they know about me. They are a top rated seller with over 4,000 reviews, 4.9 star rating. They offer a variety of services including web development, mobile app, and so on. And let's ask the same question here from Microsoft Bing. Okay, yes, I know about him. He's a level 2 seller on Fiverr and has great experience with 3+ years in website development. They are expert in WordPress, Shopify, and Swipe pages. Okay, so it actually gave me the right answer, as I am a level 2 seller on Fiverr, and this is my Fiverr gig description. It also link my Fiverr profile here, as you can see here. So the most accurate answer is this one, because I'm not a top rated seller, I am only a level 2 seller. And the other thing is it also linked my profile here and also detect my description. So these are some questions I asked from Microsoft Bing and Google Bard AI. You can try both of them, you can decide which one is better. So this was a short video for you. I hope this will helpful for you. And normally I create world-face videos, so you can follow my channel for that. And still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.